Okay, so welcome to Beijing on this beautiful Saturday morning. It's around 10 in the morning and I've already went out for an 8-kilometer run. So now I'm gonna go and enjoy some breakfast. And there's a very nice line here with some nice stuff, but I really felt like noodles. So I'm gonna go to this place here. It's like a SHAANXI restaurant with some oil-spilled noodles. So let's go inside and check out what they have. Let's see if you can see the background. I think I'm gonna have this kind of oil-spilled noodles up here. I'm gonna see if there's one that has more meat inside. Making the hand-pulled noodles here in the background. That is looking very nice. Nice, I think she's making my noodles there. Looking good. The restaurants are closed there, so you gotta do takeaway here, but I'm gonna open it and then you're gonna add on this oil inside. Definitely not the healthiest, but I'm sure it's gonna be pretty nice. Okay, this is before I add in some of the sauce here. Not the healthiest, some oil and some sugar, I'm sure. Also a little bit of protein, but yeah, I'm sure it tastes better, so let's try it. Just take the time to enjoy this beauty. Now let's dig in. Gonna start with this piece here. Very tender beef. Very nice. Let's try it out. Really, really nice. SHAANXI is famous for like the spicy oil noodles, which these are, so let's try the actual noodles here. They are looking amazing. They asked me if I want the spices. I said a little bit. This is not too much. Very good. And then you have some nice vegetables here. Crunchy. You can see all the oil here under. Not so beautiful once you've mixed it up, but you can see here it's like a whole oil layer in the background here. Not the healthiest, but definitely makes you actually feel full and really tasty. So let's continue trying it. So actually it says two names, this dish. I think it's called biang biang mian or yo po mian, which is like oil drip noodles. And it has a lot of great garlic here. I'm not sure you can see it, but the whole noodle is like filled with garlic and chili. Let's take a look at these pieces here. That is some good stuff. Yeah, definitely a lot of carbs here. All the noodles, probably like 100 grams of carbs, if not more in this, but no problem if you're getting some meat in later and protein. So it's all about balance. And I went for a run earlier, so I definitely need some energy to get back. So just enjoying this now. Really enjoy the authentic Chinese food. It's amazing. Yeah. 真好吃。真好吃。真好吃。什么？有泡面。瑞典。瑞典。嗯。瑞典。瑞典。对，我在北京工作，这是我的爱好。你们做直播。你好。很好吃。我喜欢有泡面。我喜欢湘西菜。留在中国。So fun when you have people talking to you in the street. They're very curious what I'm doing. Why am I recording myself on the street? Yeah. Those are the things that happen. So I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this, and then I might try some other snacks. So see you very soon. Yeah, as you could see, that was clearly extremely nice, but not so much protein, mostly carbs. So I'm gonna go in here behind me and see if I can find some more snacks. I think I saw some nice fried chicken and some other interesting stuff. So gotta get this protein in. So let's see what they have. Here you actually have a lot of interesting stuff here. Ooh, this is one of my favorites here. The beef noodles here. 看起来很好吃。肉就羊肉。They have lamb meat. They have a lot of good stuff here. These are looking crazy good. You have the pork or the beef buns here. And some fish. Yeah, some deep fried stuff and some chicken things. I'm gonna try these ones, I think. It's a bit hard to see here, but I think this is the beef noodle. It's actually one of my favorites, but that's for another time. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe deep fried tofu, I'm not sure. And then here, some of this chicken. Yeah, it's too much. I gotta come back some other time and try more, but I want to try some little bit. Yeah, we have a lot of cool stuff in the background here. Yeah, we have a lot of good chicken and stuff, but I think I'm gonna try something else. Okay, that was cheap. $8.98. That's a bit too cheap. And we got some small, interesting dried beef, I think, a little bit fish and chicken. So let's try it out. Okay, so we got this little bag here. We're gonna try out 3 different goodies. It's gonna be fantastic. Start out with the chicken. Not sure if you can see, it's very crispy and you have some sort of flakes on it. Looks very nice. Let's try it out. But crunchy and sweet. Definitely an extremely cheap way to get in some protein, that is for sure. Take a look at this. That is some good stuff. That is fantastic. Now we have some interesting fish here. This is looking quite interesting. I have no idea. It kind of looks like the Swedish herring. Let's try it out. Very fatty. Very nice. Almost like in Swedish we have a smörstekt strömming. It's like the butter fried herring, Baltic herring. Very similar. Very nice actually. Some good summer vibes here, that's for sure. Hello. Eating some food. 喜欢吃中国菜很好吃 Yeah, people are wondering what I'm doing in the street, checking out this very, very nice beef. Let me just take a look at this. I thought it was actually tofu first, but it's beef, so let's try and take a bite here. That's a bit unexpected flavor. There's some nice sauce here. A bit kind of a fermented vegetable aftertaste. Maybe it's like tofu around it or something. Very interesting. Also beef inside. Very nice. That's some tasty stuff here, that's for sure. So I'm gonna finish this up and see you very soon. Yeah, so that was definitely a very different breakfast or brunch. Almost it's 11 a.m. here that I normally have. I normally eat kind of very healthy. I've had some oat pancakes and some eggs and so on during the earlier parts of this week, but I just wanted to have a bit of a break. Actually yesterday for lunch I had also similar noodles, and I really feel kind of my stomach is not really used to that. But also I want to take a break from this sort of diet, because when you push your body with very low calories, it takes a toll on your body, and your cortisol levels can go up, so you actually feel very stressed. And I feel when I've eaten a little bit more lately and eaten more carbs in the morning, it really kind of calms down your mind. This morning I didn't actually eat anything, so I was fasted up until like 10 this morning, and then now I had the noodles with some carbs, and I really feel kind of more relaxed. So I'm gonna go home now and take it a bit easy. So I think it's important that you take these kind of breaks and listen to your body. If you feel stressed because you're not eating, or you're eating too few carbs like I've been doing, mostly protein in the morning, your body state is a bit kind of alert and stressed, and I feel, for me at least, it really calms down when I gives it a break from that. So in this case, I mean, this breakfast was a lot lower in protein apart from the chicken and so on in the end, but the noodles are very low, because I tried to have a high protein diet, but you can sort of just compensate later in the day, for dinner or something instead. But I feel also sleep better with carbs, so that's what I'm gonna do more. And I also wanted to show, I'm just out walking now. It's really warm actually, it's like 34. I got this sweater here, Polygiene. It's actually treated with a material, so you don't smell like sort of sweat. You can't kind of grow on it here. So I'm going to try this, walk around a little bit. It's very nice when it's starting to get sweaty here. But just in terms of my progress fitness wise, I woke up a little bit heavier today, and not maybe because I ate so much more yesterday. It's more like I had these kind of noodles, a lot of sodium, a lot of oil. The body's not used to it, so you feel very bloated. And I've been eating very big sort of salads and meals lately that are quite low in calories, but the body has a lot of things to digest. So I just wanted to switch it up a bit today, have these kind of easier foods to digest, unhealthier in a way, but just to kind of let the system reboot a little bit. So yeah, those are just some of my random thoughts here for today. I went running this morning, I have Chinese class later, but just relaxing a bit. I really love, food, trying things out. And that's what I really hope can do more when this situation eases up and you can travel in China. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, me, trying food, let me know. If you have any questions about, the food that you can find here, how it is living in China, or where you think I should go, let me know. I'm very curious. Otherwise, if you want to see more, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.